This family has some of the most unusual pet. A pet tiger, okay? And look at her. She is even swimming with the tiger. Man, I don't know about none of this stuff. Next up is even crazier. A giant snake. You know that snake can swallow you in one bite, okay? And this is the Raccoon man. He have a pet raccoon that goes everywhere. I didn't even know you could have a pet penguin. This is the room where you keep the penguin that is like super cool, okay? This might be the fattest dog ever, okay? He look like he just ate 10 hamburgers from Burger King. He need to get on a treadmill or something. Why is he laying down taking a nap? You know that is not good for you. We got a dog that is trying to pull a mountain of rocks, okay? It's probably one of the strongest dog ever. This is one of the tallest dog ever, okay? He is so tall he doesn't even need to stand up to drink the water. Compare a normal dog with that big tall dog. This is the dog that can jump the farthest ever. Look at him. And this dog, he probably can catch any of the stick on the tree. This guy, man, he's just crazy. He have a pet bear. That bear literally 2 times the size. Look at his pen. That bear just grabbed that man's booty. Man, that is sexual assault right there. Man, I don't know about these 2 monkeys now. These 2 monkeys driving a car. Where are they taking that dog? Not the dog part, I know that. Look at them. This guy have a pet hippo, okay? Hippo have some of the biggest mouth ever. Look at their teeth. One bite, it could literally crush your body, okay? I will not be messing with that thing. And look at him. They even got him in bed to sleep on and some blanket. What the heck is that? What is that? That does not look like a dog. Is it a pig? No, it's not a pig. It's a capybara. I don't know what kind of animal is that, but look so cute eating some popcorns. This guy, he have a bison in the house. A big old bison the size of a cow. I don't know about all that stuff now. He should be in the wild, not in the house. What is that guy thinking? Having a pet bison now? This is probably the fastest dog ever. His name is Gabby, okay? He runs super fast. If you wanna chase a ball, go get Gabby. He will give it back to you in maybe 3 seconds or less. Look at him jumping. Go Gabby, you the best. You the best, Gabby. This guy, he's probably high. He have a pet bee. Oh god, this girl doing some freaky scary stuff right there. Okay, this guy have a pet fox. Fox are super smart and they're also very furry. Oh, so cute. Let me have a pet fox right now. I want a pet fox. This is not an animal, pet animal, okay? This is a turtle, the world's biggest turtle. I just want to throw it in there. It's so big, you have to get like a crane. And we have a bear, a pet bear that is eating some cakes. You know, everybody loves sugar, but hey, be sure to brush your teeth. Now look at him, missing 1 teeth already. These 3 ladies, they have pet squirrel. Look at them. How did they even got a pet squirrel? Oh, right there, Batman right there. These squirrels can even fly. Next up, we got dogs that can actually drive a car. Amazing. I bet he drives better than the most of the 98% of the Asian population, okay? Yeah, he drive real good. So yeah guys, this is about the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to follow me on social media, Kelvin Lee 1995. Link will be in the description below. And yeah, my name is Kelvin, and I'll see you guys next video.